Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore your LinkedIn to market your consulting with clarity. Detailed guide step by step clearly. Start by logging into your LinkedIn account. Navigate to your profile by clicking on your profile picture or the me icon at the top of your homepage. Review your profile picture. Choose a professional headshot that is well lit and clearly shows your face. Ensure your background is simple and uncluttered. Next, update your headline. Use this space to briefly describe your consulting services and target audience. Consider phrases that convey your unique value proposition. Move on to your summary section. Craft a compelling narrative that outlines your experience and expertise. Highlight your key achievements and skills relevant to your consulting business. Incorporate keywords that your potential clients might search for. Now, add your work experience. Include relevant consulting roles and projects. Be specific about the challenges you tackled and the results you achieved. Update your education section with any relevant degree. List any additional training or professional development courses that enhance your credibility. Next, focus on your skills section. Include both hard and soft skills that are vital for your consulting services. Aim for at least 5 to 10 skills, emphasizing those that set you apart. Request endorsements for your top skills from colleagues or clients. Then, gather recommendations. Ask satisfied clients or partners to provide insights about their experience working with you. Personal testimonies can significantly boost your credibility. Make sure to customize your LinkedIn URL. This makes your profile easier to share and looks more professional. Engage with your network regularly. Share valuable content related to your consulting niche. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.